class, so today we are not going to be painting. We're going to be putting that on hold until I return to school. Today you're going to be completing Artist Check-In 2, which was due from last class time. You're also going to be completing the home page update number 1, the art page layout, the 2D 3D page layout, and you'll be turning all of these in through a screenshot. I will demonstrate how to do each of these through this video. So first thing we want to do is just double check to make sure you did in fact complete Artist Check-In number 2. That can be found in classwork towards the bottom right here where it says check-in number 2. This is you telling me what are the 3 primary colors of the color wheel. So the 3 colors that make up all the other colors. You'll write that in a private comment and then click the turn in button. Next, we're going to be working on the home page assignment update number 1. So go ahead and open up your Creative Arts digital portfolio because you have to have that open to complete this assignment. So I will show you how to complete it now. So you're in your Creative Arts portfolio. You should be on the page called Home. It's up here at the top. It says H-O-M-E. It should have your name right here. It should have a picture of you, and it should have a short welcome statement about you. This should be 3 to 5 sentences. If you had Creative Arts last trimester, you should already have this complete. If you did not have Creative Arts last trimester, it is expected that you complete this home page. For today, those of you who already have it complete, you are going to be creating one change on your page. The change could be a banner change, which would be the background. It could be a font change. It could be color scheme change. All of these editing tools can be found if you click on the area, and then you'll see you've got size changing, you have font changing, you have color changing. You'll also find you can change the image if you click it. You can also find the palette, which can change the color of your background. Once you create this change, you're going to take a screenshot of your home page. A screenshot is Control Shift button above the 6, draw around the section, and then click Capture. And you'll upload that screenshot to the assignment called Home Page Update number 1. You also must write a private comment telling me what you changed about your home page. Again, if you've never made a home page because you're new to Creative Arts, you just need to make one. You don't need to make any changes since it's brand new, but you will also submit a screenshot of that to me under the assignment called Home Page Update number 1. So that is our first assignment. Our second assignment is what's called the art page. The art page is up at the top. It's the ART page. It is not the class name page. It's the ART page. If you had me for Creative Arts classes last year, you would have some images that look like this. These were our photographic examples from last year's art class. These are already in your home page or your art page. We are going to build on top of this page over the next couple of weeks. This is what the assignments are going to look like for the 2D 3D page, for the 2D 3D art class. These are our photographic examples. We're going to be doing an assignment in color. We're going to be doing an assignment in texture, and we're going to do an assignment in line. And these are going to be all photographs. So they're not going to be actual artworks that you make from paint or clay, but they'll be from your camera. So what we're making right now is the layout for this add-on. So you're on the art page, and we're adding on to what you already have there, unless you're a 6th grader that never had Creative Arts with me, then yours is blank right now. So you're going to first drop in a text box, and in that text box, you're going to write 2D/3D photo examples And you can change this font to make it larger so it's a title. Make sure you use capitalization. Then following that, you're going to use the layout over here. Oops, sorry, I went big on that, which is where the insert button is. You'll find underneath layout, there's the 3 images side by side. Go ahead and add that. Oops, mine dropped all the way to the bottom. I'm not so sure why that happened. So I'm gonna move mine all the way up to the top. Just grab the dots, move it up to where you want it. And it's gonna go in this location here. Then in here, I'm gonna type color photo. In here, I'm gonna create a texture photo. And then in here, I'm gonna create a line photo. And you do need to capitalize all of these titles. Color and photo is capitalized. Texture and photo is capitalized. Line and photo is capitalized, okay? The small text can be left blank for now, but eventually once we take these photographs and put them in the blank sections, you'll be labeling it with a slight description. This is what the end product for this class is going to look like over the next couple of weeks. You'll be taking all of these pictures, but we won't get those assignments until the time comes. So right now you're just making the layout for what that looks like. And again, this is on the page called Art, A-R-T. It's the top page, okay? Go ahead and take a screenshot of that, Control-Shift, button above the 6, draw around it, click Capture, upload this to the assignment called Art Page Layout, and then click the Turn In button. All right, and then last and final page, we're gonna be adding a page now. This is the assignment called 2D, 3D page up or layout. You're gonna go to pages, you're gonna go to the art page, and next to the art page there is 3 dots. You're gonna click the dots and you're gonna add a sub page. This sub page is gonna be called 2D-3D. The D's are going to be capitalized. We're using capitalization because this is a title of a page. Go ahead and click done. Now you have a new page called 2D, 3D, and this is now you'll see a sub page of art. So if you hover over art, it's gonna be a part of your drop-down menu of all of the classes that you take that are art. Then you're gonna go to the insert button. You're gonna select the text box. You are gonna do in all capital letters, artist statement, and a colon, and then go ahead and make the font a bit larger because this is also going to be a titled area. So we're gonna go a little bit larger with our text here. Then underneath that, you're going to use the layouts over here, which is the 2x2 layouts. You are going to click those 3 times so you get a total of 6 image boxes. This is where our projects are going to eventually go for this class. Let me show you what a completed 2D, 3D page looks like. So eventually you're going to be writing an artist statement, and eventually you're going to be putting in all of the artworks that you make for this class with titles and mediums. So what you just did now is you designed what the layout looks like for that page. So now when you're ready to turn in the work that you create over the next several weeks, you'll have a spot for that. Again, go ahead and take a screenshot of this page that it's complete, upload that to the assignment called 2D, 3D page layout, and then click the Turn In button. So today, home page, you did an update to it, you changed it, banner, color, font. Art page, you already exists, you're just adding to it. You're adding another section to it, which is the 2D, 3D photo examples with 3 blank photos, and then go ahead and label those because those are gonna already have placement later on. And then you did a sub page of art for your 2D, 3D page, and that has the artist statement, and then it has your 6 blank images, which will eventually be for the artwork you make in this class. And that is all you have to do today. Thank you so much.